Today I want to talk to you about changes. We're all entitled to different types of changes. Whether you want to change jobs, you want to change relationships, you want to change the way you dress, you want to change the way you speak. It's all about changes. One thing we learn so quick in life is it doesn't matter how much we change on the outside. We're never going to see any new results if we keep the same mentality. So let's say, for instance, you purchase that new vehicle, but you've always had a bad attitude. The only thing that changed is what you drive, but the attitude's still the same. You're just bad all around. So in life, we're going to go through some changes. And I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Some friends come and go, but family is here forever. And I know that we have to keep moving forward and not hold grudges. Because you hold grudges, it's not going to get you anywhere. You're always going to be upset. Your energy's wasted. Instead, learn to forgive. When you learn to forgive, you're not forgiving what someone did to you. No. You're forgiving yourself for putting yourself in that situation. And then whatever that situation was, you learn from that. Because you can't even call it a mistake. You learn from that. It's called the situation. It's an opportunity to learn a lesson. And the universe has a very funny way of doing things to allow us to continue to make the same mistake day in and day out until we learned our lesson. Then, only then, will we see change. But the true change comes always within. You need to be able to think differently, see situations through a different perspective. Maybe only then will we be able to achieve the direction in which we're trying to head. Because otherwise, it doesn't work. I don't care how many times people tell you that it does work or it is. Trust me, it's not. It's not worth it. So let's do a self-evaluation and let's hope that we understand what needs to be learned so we can move graciously through this universe. So don't be afraid to change. Just make sure you change your mindset first, and then everything else will fall into play as it's supposed to. Happy Friday, everybody.